Hello everyone, my name is Brittany Gerber and I'm going to be doing the imMail introduction and showing you all of the functionalities that the platform has. So up here at the left hand side, we're going to click into Zimbra. As you're used to before, you will see the email, contacts, agenda, preferences, and then the next tab over will be the new imMail platform. Once you click that, you're inside and we can start looking at all the functions. So right here we have the emblem with chats, and then the sub bar below with chats, contacts, groups, and any archive messages as well. So first we can look at any messages that you previously had, and they'll all be stored here. Then we can go into compose, and that will start a new message. It'll pop up as you start to type the name here. It'll do a drop bar with any contacts that you have. And then you can write your message, attach any files here if you need to, and you can send it. And then you'll see that pop up right there. Next, we can go on to group chats here. We click here. This will be any group chats that you've already begun will be stored here. And then of course you can start a new group chat here. We'll go new. We can call it imMail contracts. And then I'll add Leo again here. You can add a photo if you want, and that's going to appear as your logo picture here. Create the group. And then we type in message and send, and there you'll see it there. Next, what we can do is I'll show you, come back into the chat. So I'll click into Leo and I's conversation here, and you can use the search engine right there. So any messages to do with, if you're looking for a specific word, you can use a keyword search. So we can say tomorrow. And then that will pop up. Any conversation that we've had will be with that keyword will be highlighted in yellow, and you can scroll through to click into the conversation that you're looking for. Next on here, we will go over to tasks. When you click that, you'll see the assigned to me, created by me, and any ended tasks. I'll create a task here. I'm going to make it for Leo. Down below, you'll see a priority. You can choose from low, medium, or high. We'll say medium, and we'll give him a deadline until Monday. Then below that, I can scroll down and write in the description on what the task is for. Leo. Thanks. Then I'll create the task. And then that's going to appear in the created by me section, and then also in our chat, so he'll see it there. Now there's two ways to look further into this. You can click here. It's going to bring up the overview of it, and then you have the option, to edit, archive, or complete the task. You can also click on it within the chat itself. So now either Leo or I can come in and mark it as done when it's complete. Say yes, this task is done. And then we're going to get another notification here that the task is done. Next, we come to this file folder, which is the drive. So any recordings from your meetings, any uploaded files, anything like that is going to be stored into the drive section. So you can search for any files. So we can go meetings. And then if I had anything, a file called that, then it would pop up. Like so. To create a file, all you need to do is come to the three dots on the right hand side, click that, and then you'll get more options with the drop bar. So there's new folder and upload a file. So if I want to create a new folder, we'll go imMail contracts, create that. Go like this, sorry. We're gonna come back here. So to create a new file, you're gonna come to the three dots on the side to give you more options. You'll create a new folder. The new folder will be called imMail contracts. Create that. And then it's going to appear in your drive. And double click on that to access the folder. Again, if you want to search something within the folder, you have that search option here, or go to more options and you can either upload a file, which will bring up all your documents from your personal computer. So you can click anything, open, and it will be uploaded. Open, and then it will give you the notification that it has been uploaded successfully. From there, what I can do is if I want to share that, I can either forward it in a message, share it, download it, copy it, cut, rename, or of course delete it. And go share. So I want it to be with Leo, so I'm going to go Leo. I can click on him, and we'll put in his email. Perfect. Then I'm going to give him permission to be either an administrator, editor, or reader. We'll allow him to edit that and share. And then it will say that your sharing has been successful. From there, we can go to the next tab, which is your video conferencing. So with your video conferencing, you're going to be coming to this screen here, which is going to show you. You can decide if you want your mic on or off and your video on or off as well. You have the ability to copy the meeting link if you want to send it to somebody else, and of course put any name into the name spot there. So then we click the meeting when we're ready to go, and then we're into the meeting space. On the left hand side, you can pull up the chat. So if we want to post any links, ask a question, anything like that, you can utilize this space. To the right of that, we're going to go into sharing the screen. This allows other users in the meeting to be able to view what you're seeing on your screen. And then of course, to raise a hand if you would like to be acknowledged. At the top, you have the option to invite more people. When we click that, we can again copy the link if we need to send it somewhere. And then share the meeting invite if you want to use one of these quick shortcuts as well. Down below, we have another quick icon here. If you want to invite somebody, just click here, and again, it takes you up to this top bar. Next is your security. Click that. That allows us to enable a lobby. So by clicking that on, if we invite somebody to the meeting, the person who is the moderator will then allow that person to have access. And we can also have a password protecting the meeting. So we can add a password here, and then the participant that wants to join would then have to enter the password that's been made. Next up, you have three dots to show you more options. This allows you to see what your video quality is at. If you want to change your full screen, start a live stream, start recording. So that would allow you to record the meeting. And then again, you would find the recording into the drive. You can open up any shared documents, find more settings, mute everyone else in the meeting, look at where your speaker is at, embed the meeting, or view any shortcuts. So if you started recording and you press start recording, what you would then do afterwards is then press it again and it would say stop recording. All right, and that's all I have for you today. Thanks so much.